My name is Heather Sowell, and I'm a family medicine physician with the Sheldon Sowell Center for Health. I grew up in Washington State in a small town on the coast. My journey into medicine was that I was fascinated from the time I was very young with biology and the human body and the way things worked. As I got older, then I realized that not only was the biology fun, but the people and the personalities were also endlessly fascinating. And so I decided from a very early age that I wanted to go into medicine. My schooling was at the University of Washington in Seattle. I did my undergraduate there and majored in microbiology, and then did my medical school there as well. Family medicine, you can really do everything, and so you never know what's coming in with the next patient. I chose to come to Colorado because when I was younger on a family vacation through Colorado and Wyoming, I just fell in love with the Rocky Mountains and the beauty of the land here. So I decided to come out and do my residency in Colorado. My average patient is probably between the ages of 40 and 70. More women, I think, than men. I think that's because women like to have a female physician, especially in those 40 to 60 years where you're going through transitions with hormones and life changes. One of the most important things for me is to have a real partnership. I see myself more as an educator and somebody who helps them arrive at a decision that they're comfortable with. Because I may know more about medicine, but I will never know as much about them as they do. So making that decision has to be a joint partnership. So outside of medicine, I have two children. They're both grown and out of college, a daughter Abigail and a son Jonah. I love to cook and explore new recipes. I'm always learning, new techniques of different cultures, different cooking styles. I also enjoy baking and knitting and stitching and sewing. I think our patients really love the fact that they know us very, very well, and we know them very, very well. There's a real level of trust and understanding. And they know that when they call, they're getting advice from somebody who really knows them and who really has their needs and their well-being foremost in our mind.